end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I travel each and every highway, one more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I have a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I played each other course, each careful step on the byway, one more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, and so you knew, when every thought more than I could chew, but through it all, when there was love, I hit it hard and spit it out. I face it all, and I stood tall. I did it my way. I've loved and cried, I hide my fear, my share of losing, and now I still subside. I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me, I did it my way. For what is a man? What he's got, if not himself, then he has not. Those are the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. But it shows I took the blows and did it my way. But it shows